Have you ever felt like your ears were underwater, even when you're on dry land? This common sensation can be quite uncomfortable. According to a study published in the American Journal of Otolaryngology, up to 20% of the population experiences this feeling at some point. It can be due to a variety of reasons, such as changes in air pressure, fluid buildup, or even a problem with the eustachian tubes. For example, a study in the Journal of the American Academy of Audiology found that rapid changes in altitude, like during air travel, can lead to this feeling. Fortunately, there are some simple solutions to help alleviate the underwater ear sensation. From yawning and swallowing to using decongestants, there are ways to equalize the pressure and find relief. We hope this video proved useful. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the hearing department at Endicare if you have any questions.